Good morning. This is where we slept last night. Ooh, the sun is peeking through a bit. This is where we slept last night. Really cute. So the bed is not made up anymore. But yeah, let me show you. You can go up here. And then you have this cute spot. Look at this. So normally with a nice view, but now we have the mist. But still, it's quite nice. And I actually slept quite good here. It was cold, but yeah, it was actually quite cozy and nice. So I'm happy. We try to wake up early every time, but every time we're just really tired from driving the whole day. So yeah, we're just taking it slow, having breakfast now, and then we're on our way to do a nice hike. Hey, you're snuggling up.
Nice, thank you.
Very nice.
Yeah, the sun come.
Yes, perfect. Something I finally can see the mountains. Look at this. Hey! Did we wake you up? Hey! Oh no! Yeah! So, now you have the view. Look at this. So cozy. Hey! Are these your babies? Hey. Oh. Hello, Mama. They're sweet babies. Oh. So sweet. Oh, that's so nice. Why is that? Ah. Oh, that looks good.
Lekker, en ijzertje.
Yeah?
You buy it.
En dat is gewoon pure groene thee is, schat.
Yeah?
Ja. Kijk,
What is it?
gewoon kauwen.
You have to chew on it?
Ja. Lekker hè?
Mmm.
Heel sterk.
It's very strong and very... Not mint, but something else. It's sweet also. Wow. Mmm.
Die moet je ook nog proberen.
Okay. Mm. Oh, that's a bit more bitter. Do you swallow it or you just...
Ik slik het gewoon door.
Oh yeah?
Het is gewoon een kruid of zo.
Oh wow, really strong taste. Wow. Amazing taste.
Het zit ook in de thee, denk ik.
Wow. so amazing. Really nice. Somebody's living here, we think. Okay, we are now not in the official path because we had to pay an entrance fee for the national park and we didn't have enough, like we missed like around 100 baht, so we're trying to find an illegal path. But we're now on somebody's property, we think, so let's see if we can find an alternative route, a sneaky route. Let's see. Okay, that also didn't work. Now we decided to visit the nearby waterfall. Yeah, so let's see if that's nice. Not a lot of people here, just one doggy. And I'm just warming up now a little bit in the sun because it's so cold in the mountains.
Doe normaal.
Oh, holy shit.
En niemand is hier.
Hey, holy shit. Hey, hallo. Zo.
Hey.
Oh. Be careful. Second waterfall.
Ja, er zit deze ook nog een derde waterval.
Even a third. Oh my god. There it is. Look at this. So nice. Ooh. Snack with a few. Very beautiful.
Kijk, als je hier zo op de grond staat, zag ik dat eigenlijk. Zijn we even bovenop.
Whoa. We're going in again. So we arrived to our new accommodation because the previous one we couldn't book an extra night with them, unfortunately, because it was a really nice stay. It was, the host was really nice, and the room was just simple but really good, and they had all nice facilities around where you could chill and hang out, and you had a nice view. But yeah, they didn't have availability anymore, unfortunately, so we had to book something else. We wanted to do a big hike today, and as you could see, we had to pay like an entrance fee for the national park, and we just missed like a few bucks, so we decided to go off the beaten track, as we've done multiple times this trip, and once again that worked out very good. I'm very happy with it because we visited 3 nice waterfalls, and at the last one we chilled for quite some time, and it was really nice. We were there all alone, and it was just really nice to hang out there. Yeah, so then we came back to the accommodation and had to check out. Now we checked in at a new place. It's nice. I mean, of course you have nice views, and that's good. But for the price, it's a bit outdated, and it feels a little bit less cozy than the other one. But yeah, we just stay for one night, so it's not the end of the world. So yeah, this is actually our last night we spent on the Mae Hong Son Loop route. Tomorrow we scooter back to Chiang Mai, and then we've completed it. So it was, I think, around 7 or 8 days we did it. So yeah, it was really nice. Again, the scenery, the views, just the route itself is just so worth the visit. I tried to capture as much as I could, but it's also difficult because we're both driving the scooter, so I had to use my hands for driving, but I hope you forgive me for that. But yeah, you just have to see it for yourself also. I think it's really worth doing. And yeah, so we're gonna chill here, enjoy our last night, and go head back tomorrow and make a plan for what we're gonna do next. Yeah, that's that's about it. Oh yeah, you can make here a nice campfire. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Let's see if we manage to make the fire ourselves, and just gonna enjoy our stay here. Hey, hallo. Hey, ben je zo lievertje? Zo sweet. Oh, ben je zo lief? Ja. Oh. Hm? Ja. Hm? Ja. Wacht. Hallo, schatje. Best friend. Oh, nog een pootje. Ja. He's a little bit wet. Holy shit. We're gonna make our own fire. Okay. Looking good, babe. Indoor-outdoor kitchen. And you can even play the guitar. But we can't. Hmm? Oh, almost hit your head. Our dinner for tonight.